Hello boys and girls, this is Mrs. Bettis. Today we're going to be talking about the physical characteristics of plants. Basically we'll be talking about the parts of a plant. Now each of these plant parts have a very special job. Let's start with the roots. The roots take in water for the plant. They keep the plant in the ground. It secures the plant in the ground. The leaves of a plant help the plants to make food. The stem carries water throughout the plant. So the roots absorb the water and then the water is carried up through the plant, through the stem. We then have the flower. The flower makes seeds and the flower also attracts animals that pollinate flowers. Then we have the seeds over here. The seeds are in the center. The seeds will help make new plants. So these are the different parts of the plant that help all plants make or meet their basic needs. So for today's activity, you will be drawing your own plant and you're going to label the plant parts and then just a little sentence or a little brief explanation about what each plant part does. So I'm just going to very quickly draw an example of a plant. Draw your best picture of a plant, whatever you want to do. I'm going to draw a flower. Okay, so here's my plant. And then I'm going to go ahead and start labeling each of the plant parts. Here I can write these are the roots. The roots take in water. Okay, that's the plant part, and this is the job of the roots. Then I'm going to label this part here. These are the leaves. And the leaves help make food for the plant. They make food. Now we're going to label this part. If you remember, this part is the stem. Do you remember what the stem does? It carries water to the rest of the plant. I forgot the middle part. Do you remember what this part of the plant is? Those are the seeds. And seeds help to make new plants. And then here we have the flower. And the flower makes seeds. It makes the seeds. Now, one thing I also wanted to mention, now remember, plants are not just flowers. Plants can also be trees, bushes, grass. Those are all examples of plants. But let's say if you had a lemon tree or an apple tree, then you also know that some trees that bear fruit, like an apple tree, the apple itself can also hold seeds inside of it, okay? So some plants can also make fruit. So this is what you will be doing for our activity for today. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.